So automate reporting workflows. So you can set up repeatable processes to fetch and use data without that manual effort. So that helps save time and reduces errors. Schedule data access, so you can pull reports at regular intervals, so that daily or weekly, to ensure your data is always up to date and ready for analysis. We can filter by dates or attributes, permission sets, and many more to get exactly the data you need for your specific use case. It integrates with external tools, so you can connect your OpenAthens data to platforms like Power BI, Tableau, and internal dashboards to centralize your reporting all in one place. And you can combine it with other data sources. So you can merge the OpenAthens data with data from a virtual learning environment or attendance data, CRM data, to build a complete picture of user engagement. And it enables deeper analysis. So by exporting the raw data, you can have advanced analytics that support trend identification and visualization beyond what the OpenAthens reporting dashboard offers at the moment. You can get those more granular user insights, so you can understand how different user segments across your organization access resources, and this helps optimize service and improve engagement. And finally, you can use it to detect unusual patterns that may indicate issues, helping you maintain security and efficiency.